question in the last class. That's the first question which we have discussed about it. That is condition of Arabia. Never asked in CI exams. आ सकता है तो आपने इस क्वेश्चन को अपने माइंड में रखना है कि if it's asked, you have to answer it in that way. There is no need to write headings. I it just for making like an idea कि आप उस पैराग्राफ में क्या क्या लिख सकते हैं. Main question, which is the most repeated CI exam question about Holy Prophet's life in Makkah, is this one. ये बार-बार आपके एग्जाम में आता है और इसमें जो चैलेंज है, we know how to answer it. The challenge है student start writing it. हाफ क्वेश्चन होता है 3 पेजेस भर चुके होते हैं और 4th पेज पे चले जाते हैं एंड देन यू रियलाइज आई हैव लेस टाइम लेफ्ट विद मी एंड व्हाट डू यू डू. मैंने जितने भी मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स के आंसर चेक किए, फर्स्ट बिगिनिंग पॉइंट्स आर एक्सप्लेन्ड वेल. जो मेन इवेंट्स आने लगते हैं, they are facing short of time and they start writing it quickly and they start cutting down the key details there. और mostly क्या होता है, marriage with Hazrat Khadija तक A1 answer होता है और from marriage till meditation in the cave of Hira is just 1 paragraph or somewhere like that. तो आपको marks नहीं मिलते और आप level 3 में भी कई दफा नहीं जा पाते. So you need to make sure ये सारी चीजें इस आंसर में आनी चाहिए जो bullets आपके पास हैं. What are the main things examiner is looking? Birth, miracles, briefly, don't go in detail of it. Stay with Hazrat Halima Sadiya. Shakhe Sadar, purification of heart event, death of mother. You can write the name of the place where the mother died. Yes. Sorry. इसमें मैं आप आ रहा हूँ इसकी तरफ ही. Call to prophethood is not the requirement of this question, by the way. You need to write meditate and call to prophethood. If you want to write, you can just refer to call to prophethood, but you will not go in detail of call to prophethood. Okay? तो मैं आपको आउटलाइन दोबारा साथ साथ नजर भी आ रही होगी. I hope आपको यहाँ पे ये सारी चीजें एग्जामिनर आपके आंसर में देखेगा. एक भी चीज इसमें मिस होगी, आपका लेवल ऑटोमेटिकली इफेक्ट करेगा. या हो सकता है एक छोटी मोटी कोई चीज मिस हो तो आप you will won't be able to get 10 out of 10. To get 10 out of 10 in this question, all of these points must be there and they must be explained to a level के और structured हो. Sometimes what happens, मैंने आंसर जब चेक किए, स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, they write meditation first, then they realize I missed fixing of black stone, or sometimes they write fixing of black stone first and then they write about marriage with Hazrat Khadija later. तो इसमें स्ट्रक्चर, क्योंकि ये ऐसा क्वेश्चन है मेजॉरिटी बच्चों को जबानी याद होता है और आपकी छोटी सी मिस्टेक आपके ग्रेड को क्या करती है, इफेक्ट करती है. तो दिस आउटलाइन विल हेल्प यू एंड आफ्टर यू फॉलो दिस आउटलाइन यू विल बी एबल टू स्ट्रक्चर द आंसर अकॉर्डिंगली. ऑल द पॉइंट्स व्हिच आर देयर, they are further developed below. So you can see what are the miracles you are going to write here and here. The prophet's year of birth. It is good to write 571 AD, but 570 or 571 AD is both are fine there. Who fed Holy Prophet? First woman to feed Holy Prophet was Suwaiba. You can write about that point also. One second. Okay, so you can talk about Suwaiba. Then who fed Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The discussion about Hazrat Halima Sadiya will be there. और आपने वहाँ पे रेफरेंसेस भी ऐड करने हैं. अब मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं कुछ स्टूडेंट्स के आंसर चेक कर रहा था. हजरत हलीमा के ऊपर एक पेज है, स्टे विद हजरत हलीमा, व्हिच इज फाइन. व्हेन डू यू नीड दैट डिटेल? कैम्ब्रिज ने क्वेश्चन चेंज कर दिया. इमेजिन करें, और कैम्ब्रिज ने आपसे क्वेश्चन दे दिया, राइट एन अकाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स लाइफ फ्रॉम बर्थ टिल मैरिज टू हजरत खदीजा. अब आपकी डिटेल्स बढ़ जाएंगी और इसीलिए जब आप एक बुक रीड करते हैं ज्यादा डिटेल, एक बुक में कम डिटेल होती है, यू माइट बी थिंकिंग कि बुक कौन सी ठीक है. बुक्स दोनों ठीक है, आपने क्वेश्चन देखना है. अगर ये क्वेश्चन है बर्थ इन कॉल टू प्रॉफिटहुड, तो इतनी सारी चीजों का एक्सटेंसिव डिटेल नहीं हो सकती. इमेजिन क्वेश्चन इज चेंज. और एक दफा स्कूल ने किसी एग्जाम में ऐसा क्वेश्चन दिया भी था, प्रॉफिट्स लाइफ फ्रॉम बर्थ टिल मैरिज टू हजरत खदीजा. और कैम्ब्रिज ने इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा डिफरेंट करके भी दिया हुआ है, राइट एन अकाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स लाइफ फ्रॉम मैरिज टू हजरत खदीजा टिल सोशल बायकॉट. सो दे कंबाइन टू डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस. अब आपने स्ट्रक्चर करना है और ये जो मैंने आउटलाइन लिखी है आप बना सकते हैं अपने पेपर में. अगर आपको लगता है यू वांट टू प्लान योर आंसर, यू कैन गो विद इट. क्योंकि अगर आपके पास ये स्ट्रक्चर होगा, आपका आंसर खुद ब खुद आगे चला जाएगा. पैराग्राफिंग इजी होगी, सीक्वेंस अच्छा होगा और स्ट्रक्चरिंग आपकी हो जाएगी. ओके, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन पूछा था इब्राहिम आपने कि इसमें कॉल टू प्रॉफिटहुड लिखना है या नहीं लिखना. कॉल टू प्रॉफिटहुड इस क्वेश्चन की रिक्वायरमेंट में नहीं है. आप अगर कॉल टू प्रॉफिटहुड की डिटेल में जाएंगे, आपका आंसर 5 पेजेस पे चला जाएगा. We just need 4 to 5 lines about call to prophethood. The main focus होगा till meditation in the cave of Hira. All right. अभी थोड़ा सा इसका स्ट्रक्चर देख लें. Stay with हजरत हलीमा सादिया और वो जो क्लीनिंग ऑफ हार्ट का डिस्कशन आएगा और कुछ रेफरेंसेस आपने यहाँ पे ऐड करने में आता हूँ. उसके बाद आपने डेथ ऑफ मदर ट्रांजिशन डिस्कशन करना है. मदर की डेथ के बाद who took care of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam after that? Prophet's grandfather Abdul Muttalib. कितने टाइम रहा है? 2 years. आप उसको थोड़ा सा डेवलप कर सकते हैं, हाउ इट वाज सिग्निफिकेंट फॉर होली प्रॉफिट, देन अंकल्स रोल, ट्रेड जर्नी, ये मेन है आपके आंसर के अंदर। क्रिश्चियन मॉन्क बहेरा का डिस्कशन आपने यहाँ पे करना है, और उसके बाद फिर प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पार्टिसिपेशन इन sacrilegious wars, or we can say Harbul Fujar and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's role in it, but again don't go in detail of it. You will just mention what was the role of Holy Prophet. Practically he did not kill anyone. What was his role? Collected the arrows of the enemies and handed over to his uncles. ठीक है, उसके बाद एक पीस ट्रीटी साइन हुआ. यू कैन कंबाइन इट इन वन पैराग्राफ, या आप इसको इसके साथ लिंक कर सकते हैं. हल्फुल फजूल और ट्रूस ऑफ हल फजूल इज आल्सो फाइन देयर, so you can write that point. And you can write the name of a person whose name is Abdullah bin Judan, on whose house it was done, and you can add a saying of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about that event there. Okay, fine. After this, marriage with Hazrat Khadija, but go with brief discussion about it. ज़्यादा depth में आपने इसके अंदर नहीं जाना है. बाद बच्चे वो kids की details and all of these things they start writing it, we don't need it. You can write the reference of Surah Duha here. मैंने add नहीं किया हुआ. What's the reference of Surah Duha which can be added when Holy Prophet got married to Hazrat Khadija? Yes. Loudly. And he found you in need. Correct. तो ये सूरह दुहा का आप रेफरेंस वहां पे क्या कर सकते हैं, ऐड कर सकते हैं कि अल्लाह मेड होली प्रॉफिट फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट बाय मेकिंग हिम मैरिड. ये सूरह दुहा आपके सिलेबस में भी है, और आपको यहाँ पे भी इसकी जरूरत है, और एक और जगह भी है. जब प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अपने अंकल के पास गए थे, तो वहां पे भी रेफरेंस है कि प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम वाज प्रोवाइडेड विद अ शेल्टर व्हेन होली प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम मूव टू हिज अंकल एट दैट टाइम. तो वो भी वहां पे एक रेफरेंस ऐड किया जा सकता है. मैरिज विद खदीजा के बाद जो मेन पॉइंट आएगा, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी वी विल राइट अबाउट फिक्सिंग ऑफ ब्लैक स्टोन. अच्छा, फिक्सिंग ऑफ ब्लैक स्टोन. अब एक चीज वैसे बीच में मैं आपको क्वेश्चन बता दूं, इस तरह के इवेंट्स भी कैम्ब्रिज कंबाइन में कोई नोट आपको दे सकते हैं. अभी हम अपनी लाइफ में जब जाएंगे, प्रॉफिट ने कुछ ट्रीटीज अटेंड किए हैं, राइट. अब कैम्ब्रिज ने एक दफा क्वेश्चन इनडायरेक्टली दिया हुआ था कि प्रॉफिट अटेंडेड द ट्रीटीज ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ इट. अब वो मदनी लाइफ से रिस्ट्रिक्टेड थी. अगर इमेजिन करें मक्की लाइफ से हो या ओवरऑल हो, तो यहाँ पे एक ट्रीटी भी आ चुकी है, जो ट्रीटी ऑफ अल-फजूल जो है, ट्रूस ऑफ अल-फजूल, प्रॉफिट अटेंडेड. ऐसे क्वेश्चन या फिक्सिंग ऑफ ब्लैक स्टोन प्रॉफिट के मॉडल ऑफ एक्सीलेंस में भी चाहिए, ये इवेंट भी आ सकते हैं. We are not going in detail of it, but you must know why the Baitullah was reconstructed every year. What was the reason behind it? Floods damaging the walls, and you can develop it. People they do shirk karte the and all of these things, but still these people have strong respect for Baitullah, by the way. Okay, so we can develop that point. आप यहाँ पे इसको develop कर सकते हैं. और बाकी इजी है. मेडिटेशन इन द केव ऑफ हिरा विल बी डिस्कस्ड. मैंने यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा हुआ मेडिटेशन. मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा आप एक पैराग्राफ एंड का वाइंडिंग जब करेंगे तो आपने मेडिटेशन लिखना है. व्हाट वाज द साइन ऑफ प्रॉफिटहुड बिफोर प्रॉफिट बिकेम प्रॉफिट? ट्रू ड्रीम. So you can talk about that point here. Till here your answer is done. One day prophet received. अगर आपने इस आंसर को इस तरह से लिखा, आपका फुल मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे इंशाल्लाह. लेकिन ख्याल रखना, ये ऑलरेडी बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल्ड आंसर है. इसके लिए आपको अराउंड 25 मिनट्स 22 मिनट्स लगेंगे अगर आप नॉर्मल स्पीड के साथ इसको लिखते हैं. यस, मेडिटेशन को स्किप देखें. आप डिपेंड करता है आपके ना आंसर की ओवरऑल स्ट्रक्चरिंग पे. कई दफा ना लिख के, कम चीजें लिख के भी आंसर हो जाता है. तो इट वेरीज फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स वे ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, और आपका जो स्ट्रक्चरिंग होती है वो बहुत मैटर कर रही होती है उसके अंदर. ओके, ये एक क्वेश्चन था. थोड़ा सा ज्यादा डेप्थ में जा रहे हैं मैं, क्योंकि हमें काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. अगर ये क्वेश्चन मैं डिस्कस नहीं करूंगा, बिकॉज वी डिस्कस्ड इट वेयर in history and importance of Quran, the first experience in the cave of Hira. We just need to make sure all of these things are explained in it. Okay, so it includes Prophet's meditation, true dreams, then Angel Jibreel sudden arrival, Prophet's age, Prophet's reaction, Surah Alaq verses, and all of these things will be there. And then you will mention Prophet saw the angel again on the horizon. What did he say? Hazrat Khadija's role, Warqa bin Nawfal's role. I added some details for 4-mark question if it asks significance of Warqa bin Nawfal in that event. बल्कि एक स्कूल में भी अपने students को significance of Hazrat Khadija, they gave it significance of Hazrat Khadija in this event. And you can also keep in mind significance of Warqa bin Nawfal, because imagine Warqa bin Nawfal was not there, Prophet may have faced challenge or difficulty when he was receiving the first revelation. क्योंकि जो मेन गाइड जिस बंदे ने किया, जिसने हेल्प किया होली प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को during that time, that was Waraka bin Nawfal. Though Khadija played a role there, but Waraka bin Nawfal gave a hint to Holy Prophet, you don't have to worry. Yes.
That he told him that the angel Jibreel was the same angel that came to Moses and
So it gave a, like you can say, a sort of satisfaction to Holy Prophet. एक और चीज भी है, he warned the Prophet about future. People will, like, the challenges which Prophet is going to face.
Sir, उन्होंने कहा था your own people will drive out of.
Exactly. तो ये Prophet को उसने क्या किया, prepare कर दिया कि future में Prophet will be ready for such type of things here. Yes. That is what I said कि स्कूल ने भी दिया था, तो कैम्ब्रिज दे सकते हैं. Significance of Waraka bin Nawfal, significance of Hazrat Khadija at the time of first event, बिल्कुल आ सकते हैं.
the role of
ये भी कैम्ब्रिज का क्वेश्चन था, मैंने आपको दिखाया था 10 मार्क में. तो 10 में अगर आएगा तो फैक्ट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आएगा, और अगर 4 में आएगा तो आपने उसको एज एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करना है. असल क्वेश्चन जो है ना वो यहाँ से शुरू होता है. ये वो क्वेश्चंस है जिसमें आपको थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन अंडरस्टैंडिंग के ऊपर फोकस करना है. I will show you this question, then I will show you the 2 other questions which are asked related to it. When we talk about preaching of Islam, Cambridge has asked 3 types of questions. This is one of the questions. How did Islam grow in the beginning years? That's one question. Second question you can see here. अब ये वाला दिखाता हूं आपको मैं क्वेश्चन एक और. यहाँ पे look at this question. This is one question, the blue colored question. Give an account of the main events of Prophet's preaching up until public declaration. 2 questions हो गए. There is one more. I think I missed it above somewhere here. नीचे होगा below. ये रहा. That's the third one. How did Islam grow in the years between Prophet's first revelation and first public preaching? So what's the target of this question is फर्स्ट वही ऑल द वे टू ओपन प्रीचिंग. ये आपका एक क्वेश्चन है जिसके ऊपर आपने पहले माइंड में रखना है कि हाउ टू स्ट्रक्चर दैट आंसर. बाय द वे इस आंसर के अंदर अगर आप देखें फर्स्ट वही भी नहीं चाहिए, पब्लिक प्रीचिंग भी नहीं चाहिए, राइट? बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डिड इस्लाम ग्रो बिटवीन दैट पार्ट टाइम. तो आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन ही नहीं है. वी हैव ओनली वन थिंग व्हिच इज देयर, इट्स सीक्रेट प्रीचिंग एंड फैमिली मेंबर्स. दैट्स द टोटल. अब आपको यहाँ पे डेप्थ बहुत ज्यादा चाहिए. यू नीड टू रीड द बुक फॉर एडिशनल पॉइंट्स देयर. इवन बुक्स आर लैकिंग डिटेल्स देयर. व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल पॉइंट्स वी कैन राइट इन इट? अब हम उसके आंसर को, सजेस्टेड रिस्पांस को देखते हैं, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन कैम्ब्रिज ने अभी दोबारा दिया है लेकिन थोड़ा डिफरेंटली दिया है, और वो था फर्स्ट वही टिल माइग्रेशन. सो दैट्स लाइक अ लॉन्ग. अब कैम्ब्रिज ने उलट कर दिया. आपको इतनी इंफॉर्मेशन को ऑर्गेनाइज करना है, summarize करना, that skill is going to be used. Medina. So you can see that so many events are there, and how can you cut down the detail? ये अभी आया 2025 या 2024 के किसी पेपर में नॉन पाकिस्तानी वेरिएंट में आया. तो you can keep in mind कि ऐसा क्वेश्चन कभी उलट होता है कि you have to expand a small event और आप उस पे 10 मार्क बनाते हैं, और कभी 3-10 मार्क के क्वेश्चन आपके समराइज हो रहे होते हैं. ओके, what is the expectation here? अगर generally आता है ना, how did Islam grow in the beginning? Did Prophet started preaching from the first wahi onwards? So you need to talk about that one. So you will mention that the first wahi was just talking about significance of knowledge and all of these things, and Prophet ﷺ did not preach. Then you will mention after the gap, second, what was the surah of the second revelation? What's surah name? Surah Mudassir, good. And then you will write, oh, you wrapped in mantle, arise and warn, and all of these translations will be there. This is the first teaching for Surah Mudassir and first instruction for preaching. And Prophet started preaching openly or secretly or family members?
For 3 years.
Secretly for 3 years, that's the first page. Can you see this?
Declaration on the Mount of
The first secret preaching without, till that, Mount of Safa पे अभी नहीं जाते. Surah Mudassir, first phase of preaching. Second wahi, actually, Prophet ﷺ के ऊपर first wahi surah अलग थी, second wahi was Surah Mudassir, and Prophet started preaching. यहाँ से हम इसको फिर develop करेंगे, and you will have a paragraph on secret preaching. My details of secret preaching is fine, but अगर वो question आ जाता है जिसमें आपके पास limit है, तो आपने इसको expand करना है. What else we can add in it? I wrote here the names of 4 people who are early converts. What else we can add in it? Can we write about Hazrat Bilal, Hazrat Usman? We will talk about that one. ठीक है, आपने जो conversion है, early conversion को आपने यहाँ क्या करना है, expand करना है. एक पैराग्राफ और आपके पास यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. अब आंसर को कैसे डेवलप कर सकते हैं? हजरत अबू बकर के फ्रेंड्स कैसे आए, हजरत तलहा, हजरत जुबैर, हजरत उस्मान, Hazrat Bilal, Hazrat Ammar, Hazrat Yasir, you can talk about these people. वो आ रहा हूँ मैं उसकी तरफ. That is going to be in family invitation की तरफ. 2 paragraphs आपके आंसर में हो गए. I will suggest to make 3 now here. The 4th one is going to be invitation to family. The students say Prophet ﷺ received a revelation and he was asked to preach the family members. You need reference, okay? So without reference, that point is not okay with that. So we need a reference, like you said, admonish thy nearest kinsman. But I wrote easy translation here. And warn your nearest relatives. कुछ बच्चे ये पूछते हैं कि बुक की translation याद नहीं होती है. Can we write it in our own words? So sometimes your own words, if they are directly translated as it is, then it's fine. Kyunki translation, this is not my own words. It's the translation of a book also, and its meaning exactly same. Admonish thy nearest kinsman or warn your nearest family members. ये number लिखना जरूरी नहीं है. क्योंकि I have seen many students got 10 out of 10 in the recent exam. They did not write this ratio, surah number and the verse number. Examiner knows that one, and they mostly detect it and they give you credit for that one. If you write it, it's good. But if you don't write it, even it is okay. Moving on, what did Prophet do? Invitation to the family. अब ये थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेच होगा, डेवलप होगा. प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने अपनी फैमिली को इनवाइट करने के लिए हजरत अली रज़ी अल्लाह अन्हु का टास्क दिया. अगर आप हमाद बिन निशात की बुक को रीड करते हैं, वहां पे हजरत अली होली प्रॉफिट ने 2 फैमिलीज को 2 दफा इनवाइट किया. पहली मीटिंग में तो अबू लहब ने मीटिंग वैसे ही स्पॉइल कर दी. फिर सेकंड मीटिंग कंडक्ट की प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने. बट इफ यू वांट यू कैन कंबाइन इट इन वन गो एंड यू विल मेंशन रेफरेंस. Prophet ﷺ made a feast for the family members. सारे family members को Prophet ने क्या किया? Gather किया. Who are the family members? House of Abu Talib.
Sir, people of Bani Hashim and people of Bani Abdul Muttalib.
Bani Abdul Muttalib and Banu Hashim, right? अब आपने वहाँ पे develop करना है. Prophet ﷺ ने जब preach किया, he asked the people who is going to support me. उस वक्त अबू लहब का रिएक्शन यहाँ पे नहीं मेंशन हुआ है, आपने मेंशन करना है. अबू लहब spoke to Holy Prophet's uncle Abu Talib, who was tribal leader. Oh Abu Talib, stop your nephew before Arabs will make fun of us. Yeah, they start pointing to against us. So what was the reaction of Prophet's uncle? Yes, Abu.
So मैं कहा था कि मैं होली प्रॉफिट को तब तक प्रोटेक्ट करूंगा till I am alive.
Okay, good. Yes, that's right. It's acceptable. But I have found in one book a very good, better developed wording. They said, though I cannot leave the religion of my forefathers, but yes. I can't leave. ये भी point बिल्कुल ठीक है. I can't leave of religion of Abdul Muttalib, or you can say I cannot leave the religion of my forefathers, but my full support will be with Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. तो ये Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam को एक थोड़ा सा अंकल की तरफ से सपोर्ट था, अब अंकल अबू तालिब की तरफ से. और फर्स्ट ऑपोजिशन किसने किया? इनडायरेक्टली अबू लहब ने किया. बट यू स्टूडेंट मिक्स इट अप विद माउंट ऑफ सफा. माउंट ऑफ सफा भी अबू लहब है, लेकिन यहाँ पे थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. हियर अबू लहब वार्न प्रॉफिट अंकल अबू तालिब के. आपने वहां हजरत अली का रोल फिर आएगा. हजरत अली रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु स्टूड अप and he showed support to Holy Prophet or was saying of Hazrat Ali. अब आप ये देखिए paragraph stretch भी होगा. If you don't need details, you can cut down the detail according to the situation. मैंने जो model answer बनाया होता है, it's a universal answer. Sometimes you need to summarize it. Sometimes you need to add points according to the question requirement. Like here, we need to expand it. If the question is asking you what happened between first preaching, secret preaching and open preaching, so definitely you need to add details in the secret preaching phase there. यहाँ तक समझ आ गया? I added a point here. I said you should try to write more details. House of Arqam, Dar Arqam. You can talk about that one. That's the place from where Islam spread it. Prophet used to preach there hiddenly, secretly. और एक और चीज भी है, Muslims used to go to the mountain side in the daytime. एक अमृतम marking scheme में लिखा हुआ है. And they used to perform prayer twice in the day. One in the morning, one in the evening. That was the total what they used to do. And they used to stay in the mountainside, meditate there, and then they used to come back to the house of Hazrat Arqam Raziyallahu anhu. Secret preaching is going on. Family members को invite किया. No major outcome except Hazrat Ali's full support was there. अब Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam इस बीच में secret preaching was going on, and around, you said in the beginning, 40 people converted to Islam. So Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not able to hide that preaching, so he has to expose it and he has to tell it to everyone. And Quranic words was the Quranic words का reference आ जाएगा. Expand openly what you are commanded, and then you will develop it accordingly. यहाँ तक समझ आया? अब reference आएगा. What did Prophet do? We need detail of that. What did he do?
he
to
went
preach openly,
Mount Safa and
Mount of Safa, and he announced from there what method he adopted. You will talk about it. Did he start preaching
tried
directly?
to tell you that there was an army
Hmm.
waiting to raid you.
Why the Prophet did that? Okay, he asked the people, if I tell you there is an enemy at the back, what could be the reason?
People used to call him Al-Sadiq, so they would believe.
Fine. What he was doing actually,
On that Mount Safa,
coming.
He was trying to represent that if they believe that he doesn't lie, then why are they believing now that he is
Agree. Good. So it means what he is doing, he is trying to make the people understand first that whatever he will be saying after that is going to be a true thing. So he wanted to get the confidence and the trust of the people more. So yes. So somewhere you can say that when, or the main thing is like even you were telling the point that he wanted to make them understand that Prophet's statement and the saying is going to be true. उसमें कोई doubt नहीं होगा. पहले वो लोगों का trust gain कर रहे थे, recall करवा रहे थे. Then Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when they all said you are not a liar, you are a trustworthy person, then Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that, but the people's reaction changed here. यहाँ से आपको एक और question का answer भी मिल जाता है. Kamlesh का question है, the way Quraysh behavior changed before and after he started preaching. This is the turning point of Quraysh behavior change. So whenever you're writing the answer of that question, we should be writing this part there. This is the place where Quraysh behavior changed from good behavior to the bad behavior, but not all the Quraysh behavior got changed. Few later on accepted Islam as well. We will talk about that question later. अभी उससे related questions की तरफ भी मैं आता हूँ. ठीक है? Okay, that is one 10-mark question asked over a period of time with different wording. और ये question थोड़ा सा significant है क्योंकि ये आपकी understanding check करता है. इसमें आप memorize करके 100% नहीं लिख सकते. You need to see what is the expectation. I showed you 3 questions which are asked over a period of time. आगे इसके बाद जो पोर्शन है ये इजी है. मैं इसकी डिटेल में नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं इसके ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस की तरफ जाऊंगा. एक क्वेश्चन है the way prophet was persecuted, and the second question is the way the companions got persecuted, and you can answer it very well. We just need to follow the outline here. Whenever you're writing a question on persecution to Holy Prophet or persecution to the followers, try to begin your answer from open preaching and Abu Lahab's reaction from there onwards. All right. Here, if you're talking about Prophet's time, main persecutors, mental torture, 3-4 examples, verbal torture, 3-4 examples, physical torture, again 2 to 3 examples, and then साथ साथ आपने हर torture पे Prophet का reaction भी लिखना है. What was his reaction? Did he retaliate? Did he stay calm or forgave them? Do mention these things therein. Spiritual, I think, goes in mental torture because if you talk about gap between the revelations, so that goes in mental torture there. Yes. Mental torture is like the gap between the revelations, and the people used to call him, and daughters got separated, Abu Lahab. So that's the way how even bribe, greed, and boycott, social boycott, the family was boycotted. So that goes in mental torture. You can see your own family members getting harmed or persecuted because of you. So definitely it's a sort of mental torture.
It's often that Prophet can like pray to their God for a year and then after.
That's another example. The Prophet ﷺ, they asked, you can Prophet received the words of Surah Al-Kafirun, and Prophet said, Lakum dinukum waliyadin, for you it's your religion, mine is my religion. So we cannot exchange it. कि 3 दिन हम आपके God की worship कर लें, 3 की आप हम कर लें, जो एक peace negotiation की. So Prophet ﷺ, this is also sort of exactly mental torture में आता है. Yes, Ibrahim, you're saying something. Same point, sir. Okay, yes.
The year of grief
बिल्कुल लिखा जाएगा. Year of grief is also related to mental torture because Prophet lost his closest people. Even I said कि आप bribe जो Prophet को करने की कोशिश की गई थी, greed किया गया था, threaten किया गया था. Like once Abu Lahab gave a threat to Holy Prophet, and his uncle even, he was forced to stop Prophet, and he said, do not burden me for something which I and you cannot resist. Then Prophet said, I will put sun on my right hand. So that goes in mental torture. Yes. Boycott of Banu Hashim, and then yes, we talked about that one. Boycott of Banu Hashim and the year of grief is में. Even visit to Taif को आप refer कर सकते हैं. He was forced to leave. Yes. वो physical में आएगा, बिल्कुल आएगा. Physical में आएगा. उसमें putting the filth at the back of Holy Prophet when he was doing sajda. Yes, stones was there. Abu Lahab's, what's the name of Abu Lahab's wife who used to place the thorn? Jameel. So you can talk about these points there. Abu Lahab's wife Jameel said to Holy Prophet, when the gap of the revelation was there, your Satan even left you. Means your God left you. तो वो भी उसी के साथ लिख दे. खैर, ये आपने खुद develop कर ले क्योंकि इसका model answer available है. The second question, which is also easy, by the way, they are repeated questions. How the companions got persecuted, by the way. Iska bhi structure. If you follow the structure, you will be able to answer it perfectly. Even my answer might be not following it perfectly. It's a suggested way. Begin your answer from Mount of Safa again, back open preaching. Main persecutors, write their names. And the examples of the companions who were persecuted, they are divided into 3 categories. So if I say 3 categories, slaves, make 1 paragraph on it. Another paragraph on poor and less influential. जो slaves नहीं है, poor and less influential है, and 1 paragraph on rich and influential companions. तो आपने अगर Ammar bin Yasir की example दी, तो वो poor and less influential में आ जाएगा. Abu Bakr, Musab bin Umair, Usman, they go in rich and influential companions. Slave में Hazrat Bilal आ जाएगा, Zunaira, Lubaina, Khubayb. But again, if you structure it, it will be easier. Why? Who was torturing the slaves? They were the masters. Who was torturing the less influential non-slave people? उनको कौन torture कर रहा था? Influential leaders of Arabia. ठीक है, tribal leaders है. और rich को उनकी अपनी family torture कर रही थी, because they did not want that their kid will leave their religion. तो हज़रत मुसअब बिन उमैर को उनके parents हैं, हज़रत उस्मान को उनके uncle जो थे बनु उमैया के leader थे, he did not want कि उनका family member जो है वो out of family जाए और religion को वो follow कर दो. So that is how you will develop that answer. ये answer easy है, because you have structured model answers for that one. You can use your book, you can use your notes. It's not a big deal. The question is different when the question is asking you like this way. अगर आपसे question examiner ना थोड़ा सा wording change करके पूछता है, अब look at the change in the wording of questions about ये आसान है. You can see the first one. The persecution faced by early followers. I will suggest you Prophet पे भी लिखें और followers पे भी लिखें. Followers are the main target, but you can talk about Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam also. When you move on further, अब यहाँ पे देखें. अच्छा ये भी easy है. Prophet faced persecution, that's fine. Now look at this question. Clans in Makkah treated Prophet before and after he received revelation. अब इस question पे थोड़ा सा आपने गौर करना है. इसमें 3 चीजें हैं जो mostly students ignore करते हैं. पहली चीज यहाँ पे उसने पूछी हुई है clans in Makkah, not the people of Makkah. If you just mention Abu Sufyan or Abu Lahab, Abu Jahl, you won't be getting highest grades there, because they are not asking you their name, they are asking you the clans. So when you talk about Abu Jahl, when you talk about Abu Lahab, when you talk about any other persecutor, write the clan of that person. What's the clan of Abu Lahab?
Sir, Bani Hashim.
Banu Hashim, Prophet's own clan actually. What's the clan of Abu Jahl?
Sir, Banu Makhzum.
Banu Makhzum, good. And what's the clan of Hazrat Umar? Was also that, he used to torture Zunaira and Lubaina. So what's the tribe of Hazrat Umar? Banu Adi, very good.
Sir, Banu Adi.
Exactly. अब इस तरह से आपका आंसर स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा. इवन आप होली प्रॉफिट के जो अंकल हैं, सॉरी हजरत उस्मान अंकल बनु उमैया को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, तो आप इस तरह से आंसर को सपोर्ट करेंगे. You got it? Second thing, जिसके ऊपर आपने वर्क करना है, they did not ask you how they were persecuted. Understand? You will talk about few people who gave good reaction also. Can you see that? They are not asking you bad treatment. They are not asking you the persecution. They are asking you about the way. So some people gave good response. We will talk about good responses also, such as, for example, Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Abu Bakr. So they are from different tribes, but they accepted Prophet teaching them. Hazrat Abu Bakr, I'm not sure exactly Quraysh का कोई sub clan है, but exactly मुझे याद नहीं है, but we can check that one. तो वो भी आप लिख सकते हैं, but he accepted Islam. Yes. Like Banu Hazrat Al-Qadar Al-Qam, House of Arqam actually, so you can write that one exactly. ठीक है? Clear? अब this is what you need to understand when you start your answer. अब कई दफा ऐसा होता है आपने persecution opposition पूरा लिख दिया answer, but you don't get good marks in it. अब यहाँ पे एक और चीज आपने देखनी है. Mention good examples of Quraysh reaction with Holy Prophet before preaching and how things got changed. If someone just write persecution opposition, you will get a maximum of 5 marks. What are the examples of good reaction of Holy Prophet with Quraysh before he started preaching? Al-Sadiq and Al-Amin, good. Anything else? Al-Sadiq and Al-Amin trusted him with valuables, good. Fixing of Blackstone, but you need to develop it. Mostly बच्चे लिख देते हैं ना, fixing of Blackstone was a good experience. You need to mention how Quraysh had good reaction on Holy Prophet. Prophet was young at that time. Many elderly people, senior people were there. When they saw Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, they were happy. And they said, a trustworthy and honest person will judge between us. That shows what? They had good understanding with Holy Prophet. Hazrat Khadija got married to Holy Prophet for what reason? Trustworthy. People, the enemy, the people who became enemy, they are the ones who recommended Hazrat Khadija कि आप Holy Prophet से marriage करें. So that shows good relation. I was telling you Mount of Safa event. तो आपने यहाँ पे last में mention करना है. That's a transition from good behavior to the bad behavior. Same people who said कि you never tell a lie, and that's why we will believe कि यहाँ पे एक enemy की army है, and we will trust in you. When Prophet started preaching, situation changed, and how the situation changed, you will talk about that point there. And the people stopped trusting on Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Did they kept trusting as Al-Sadiq and Al-Amin, or they stopped trusting?
Because they kept their belongings.
ये नीचे 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन भी आ जाता है, इसको भी आपने जस्टिफाई करना है, डेवलप करना है इसी के अकॉर्डिंगली. 2 क्वेश्चंस मैंने आपको बताए, थोड़े से ट्रिकी हैं. एक ये है, एक और बताता हूँ आपको मैं, और ये इजी है. अर्ली फॉलोवर्स, आई जस्ट अंडरलाइन द कीवर्ड्स देयर. और ये वो सेम क्वेश्चन है, it's repeated a bit differently. Clan's reaction before and after. So you need to talk about Clan's name, you need to talk about good and bad situations both. आपके आंसर में अगर खाली नेगेटिव साइड होगी, खाली बैड साइड होगा, कुरैश का बैड बिहेवियर, we won't be able to get higher grades there. You need to write both sides in it also. Okay? और ये देखें, यहाँ पे भी ये क्वेश्चन में आपको डिफरेंट वर्डिंग्स वाली दिखा रहा हूँ. Describe the differences in the way the Quraysh treated him after the prophethood. So यहाँ कहाँ से शुरू होगा? Mount of Safa से discussion आएगा. Okay? I think we are done with most of the questions of this type. That's total here. Because the rest of the questions we will do that. I personally wanted to reach migration to Abyssinia today, but these questions are the ones which need a little bit better understanding, and we need to structure it accordingly. So we will stop the discussion here. If someone